June 28, 30. So I'm here at the Siffu bridge. I think it's called Barambam Bridge. Let's just call it Bridge over Siffu River. So the on-ramp, off-ramp has been completed. So as I walk toward the bridge, there's a lot of improvement. Made the road wider. So I think it's going to be fun a minute crossing the Siffu River. So this is the side road that was used for the temporary bridge. The thickness of the cement is about it's around a foot. So it's gonna last a while, hopefully. Hopefully they have not scrimped on the cement when mixing the aggregates. So I think the design of this bridge will last about 100 years long, hopefully. You actually call it Siffu Bridge, but it has a different name in the past, so that's good. So they painted the cement, and then they'll apply asphalt after. So I think the paint is some sort of a seal. So motorists and vehicle are able to traverse the river quite easily now without having to listen to that clanging and banging of the temporary bridge. They started lining the river embankment a while back, several months ago. I don't know how far it goes into the east. At its meander over there, there's also lining. Someday when I have the drone, I'll have a bird's eye view of the river. Hopefully someday. Here the guys are busily painting the place white. So, looking good. I'm on the west side of the bridge, so this is what it looks like now. Someday they'll remove this metal bridge, someday. So there's a proposal to have some sort of a park there, like the one in Ilagan, the Abango River. So if you have funds, it would be a great idea to buy a small plot there for the resort of some sort. So it'll be a town resort. So if I had funds, I would buy a small plot because people would become a tourist area there. This road will lead to the resort that I mentioned. There's no resort yet, but there will be when they implement that idea into action. Hopefully it'll look good. Here's the on-ramp, off-ramp on the south side of the river. So they are making they're completing the road that goes toward the bypass road. So as you go south, turn right to the bypass road. So this is what is happening. Sadly, some of the properties have been in roads. and people has to move. So maybe this whole thing would be done by July, end of July, hopefully. It'll be good when it's done. Thanks for watching.